Blackie.
Chocolate and caramel, ooh-wee. The sun kissed you and said, ooh-wee. Even the morning said, ooh-wee. I dream at night and sing, ooh-wee. Chocolate and caramel, ooh-wee. The sun kissed you and said, ooh-wee. Even the morning said, ooh-wee. I dream at night and sing, ooh-wee. Chocolate.
My name is Rejoice Makafui Tsotorvor, and I'm an art educator and a practicing artist. Today, I'm excited to share with you recent exhibition, What If? Utopian Speculations. As an artist, I've been exploring the potential of new material in art, these total gals. These usual forms, which grow on various plants species including cocoa, gum, cola, coffee, and citrus, have become a powerful tool for me to speak about social justice and amplify the voices of the marginalized, voiceless, and vulnerable. My exhibition asks a melancholy question: what if the voiceless could speak and be heard? This question was inspired by the struggles of voiceless Ghanaians in 2024 who faced harsh treatment from the government and grappled with emerging issues like galamsey, protection of our national financial resources. And these voiceless went around the country breaking down statues that belonged to colonial masters. On December 7th, 2024, the voices of these individuals were finally heard. And this moment sparked the creation of my exhibition, using these little girls to mirror, countersight, and connect present and future. Ultimately, compensating the voiceless. My artistic practice is informed by philosophical ideas of Michel Foucault, heterotopia, to say, particularly looking at the 6 principles of other spaces. These principles, heterotopia of crisis and transformation, deviation, countersight, temporal fluidity, multiplicity, and otherness have shaped my understanding of the complex relationships between art, nature, and social justice. Furthermore, I've added the 7 principles to Foucault framework, spaces of materiality. This concept recognizes that materials are embedded in various aspects of stages of life, mirroring, distorting, unsettling, or evading other spaces. I hope that my practice inspires you to consider the voices of the voiceless and the power of art to drive positive change. Michel Foucault says, I find myself immensely enamored with memories that sound like echoes from another time and place. Where there is authority, there is counterfeit.